4 apple recipes, 1 quick showdown. We're pulling the best from Natasha's kitchen. A 6-ingredient apple cake, crispy apple turnovers, fluffy apple pancakes, and a classic homemade apple pie. Stick around, each one hits different and the winner might not be the one you expect. Let's dive in. If you've ever wanted a cake that screams effortless flex, this 6-ingredient apple cake is about to be your new go-to. This thing looks fancy, but trust me, it's stupid easy. Start by whipping 6 room temp eggs on high till they're super foamy. Keep that mixer running and slowly add 1 cup of sugar. Let it go 8 to 10 minutes till it's thick and fluffy. Preheat your oven to 350. Now grab a bowl and mix 1 1/3 cups flour with half a teaspoon baking powder. Peel, core, and chop 3 Granny Smith apples into 1/4-inch pieces. We're using most inside and saving about a cup for the top. Fold 1 teaspoon vanilla into your egg mix, then sift in that flour mix in thirds. Don't overmix. Add the apples, fold again, and pour everything into an ungreased 9-inch springform pan lined with parchment. Scatter that last cup of apples over the top. Bake at 350 for 50 to 55 minutes till golden. Dust with powdered sugar, and boom, you just made a tall, fluffy, apple-loaded cake that tastes like you spent all day on it. If you think apple turnovers are only a bakery flex, wait till you see this. I'm about to show you how to whip these up so quick, your kitchen's gonna smell like fall in 5 minutes flat. We're starting with 2 sheets, 1 pound of frozen puff pastry. Let that thaw while you bang out the filling. Grab 1 1/4 pounds of Granny Smith apples, about 3 apples. Peel them, core them, chop them into little 1/3-inch pieces. Throw a pot on medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, drop in those apples and let them soften. Now hit it with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Let it simmer till it smells like straight caramel heaven. Roll your pastry into an 11-inch square. Cut it into 4 pieces. Add a big spoon of that apple mix right in the center, but keep a 1/2-inch border so you don't blow out the edges. Make an egg wash with 1 egg and 1 tablespoon water. Brush the edges, fold, seal with a fork, and cut 3 vents on top. Do the same with your second pastry sheet. Chill everything for 20 minutes. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 23 minutes till they're golden and puffed up like a bakery flex. Now hit them with a glaze made of half a cup powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons heavy cream. Flaky layers, buttery cinnamon apples, total fall vibes. This apple pancake recipe is about to steal your whole morning. Grab a bowl and mix your all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon. Nothing fancy, just whisk it up. In another bowl, pour in cold, low-fat buttermilk, crack in 2 large eggs, add vanilla extract, and whisk till smooth. Now pour that over your dry mix and stir just enough so it's still kinda lumpy. Melted butter goes in next. Don't overdo the mixing. Now peel and grate 2 large apples, about a pound, and fold them right into that batter. You want those little apple shreds in every bite. Heat a nonstick pan with 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-low. Scoop in your batter and let it cook till the bubbles pop on top, then flip. Give it another couple minutes. Keep that skillet oiled so you get those crispy edges everybody loves. Stack them high, pour on your maple syrup, dust with cinnamon, and man, this tastes like warm apple pie for breakfast. If you've been buying apple pie from the store, you're missing out. This homemade apple pie hits way harder, and the secret is a quick caramel-style sauce that takes 5 minutes. Let me show you how fast this goes. Start by melting 8 tablespoons unsalted butter in a saucepan. Whisk in 3 tablespoons flour for a minute, then add 1/4 cup water and 3/4 cup sugar. Let it simmer till it turns into a light caramel sauce. Grab 6 to 7 Granny Smith apples, about 2 1/4 pounds. Peel, core, and slice them thin. Toss them with 1 1/2 teaspoons cinnamon, then pour in all that sauce. Coat it well so every slice hits. Roll out your chilled all-butter pie crust, lay the first 12-inch crust in your pan, load in the apples, then cut the second crust into 10 strips to make a lattice. Crimp the edges so it looks clean. Brush the top with 1 beaten egg mixed with 1 tablespoon sugar. Bake at 425 for 15 minutes, then drop to 350 for 45 more. Let it rest an hour so the filling sets. When you finally cut in, the slices hold together and the crust stays buttery and flaky. If you made it this far, you're clearly an Apple fan, so hit that like button and subscribe to Ciao America. It helps a ton and keeps videos like this coming. Drop a comment and tell me which recipe you're trying first. And if you want to see Natasha's best meatballs and beef recipe, just tap this video and watch the full breakdown.